Okay, FM 101.7.
Doc, yamu akwaba.
Yeni abi.
Po bibi aboko de.
Nyame adum boko.
Yeda nyankopon ase. How do we have to handle difficult customers?
Abe mi dasi yemfa enchiama etiefo binum tie pa 24/7 anytime bia yewo no omutie. One gentleman bia o US ana metai bonidin nat. Sabri o tie empa ti yenchia no. And then the person ka ho asemi dealing with difficult customers. And pempi no ya na enkrofo efa ne se o customers dos nti obi ya dia onko anase bibia tisa but wo yesa na ugu adwuma no nti ye behwe kwan a ye befa so ene sa afo akasa ye say pembia obi customer bi be complain no see that as an opportunity for growth because so we ye ni a omo nka ho asem nti so obi ka ho asem a nyese nipa no asem ka na eni de keke. And to see customer complaints as an opportunity for improvement. That's the first thing. But I'm sure the Ebema customer be buafua a be lead to that person becoming a difficult customer. The why customers get upset or angry. First one, something was maybe mishandled by you or your company. As a customer be before nebia. Wo ton ade no entrepreneur na na say representative aye ade bia ankoye and the customer ne bofu ebi wo ho a wa delay no wo ka say time say wo de ade no be ko wan fa nko ama onu nso delay another service provider nti ne bofu deda ena obi wo kra that very day no anya bad day oni obi anya problem and ode na ebufu no ba besua wo so ni nyina timi ma customers ebufu. And whatever a customer's reason for being angry ni tie bia no so handle situation no sani ebe ya en say wadwuma na wadwuma no betimi akoso enti etiafu amutie yen aha na steps a obefa so no wetimi handle difficult or angry customers no ene ebe discuss. The first one here, first I saw who said, and then of course what's going on. Determine the reason for this unhappy customer. No, and then I nebo afu. It is a who the entire nebo afu na. Say ye papa or say ye bonio. Wo entrepreneur no first step I say taking is say obeka se me paucho. You apologize to this person. And know that you before and I say onga young wadwuma bebre di ho for. If you say bu o ha onim say onye customer no boni bia anti adena so panicho. But in the interest of your business no. To say near Stewart Leonard for can say the customer is always right. If the customer is not always right, I reread the first one. And there's all apologize to the customer. Now if you was I restate customer no in the open statement or cash flow. And now when you listen carefully to the customer. Say untimi fa bibia ngu trimu a wo de ya fa pen natural the customer ne kanina. Na show empathy fa wo ho share customer no situation na ka say oh me kra anka me bubefu. Wo ka sa share customer na fi wo hu say wo gi na sem na wo kan tum. To obia na dwumu da ho bia wo de say ye na de bubetimi afu. Customer no be hu say ampa oji de okanutu nemo mu ye we nyina no remain composed nti aha no ye be call back to our emotional intelligence no because customer bi o say na o calm me down kra no na ne bufu na o tie mu na o create scene na obi twam na den na ekoso wa hai ni nyina mu no remain composed. Into when the first step so we identify a den na man nipa no bufu ye no ufri ho afi yemura asem na nkasa mu the root cause because ebi wo ha de ye wadwen se ma nipa no bufu ye no kra no ye remote enya no na ma ne bufu ye enti ye investigate the real situation and then and the kofa sa asem no bai na fi what determine say customer no complain no kra no is it valid because sometimes obi wo ha obeye dede gidi obehwehwe mu no na asem no kra wo ka no emfa kwamu yɛmfa ne sɛ obi aba bɛtɔ w'adeɛ na wagye receipt wakoduru fie bɛyɛ Ghana wotɔ adeɛ a wontumi return ni na wabɔ de abufuo gidigidi because na ne buofo a ɔba nti kura wagya receipt na ofie nti ɔba ne complaint na ɔde ba no you ask yourself say valid because say organize more and as a supermarket unkita receipt there's no way say obi betimi return adeɛ nti ɛsɛ wo find out say ne complaint no kura na valid ana who say valid apologize again na fe wa ankasa no wa explain what happened bia na wo idea no ade a e call wrong ama customer no bofu if you are then ye be ma customer no yasan winning the back if you said ye we nyina no nya customer no ho na e fair na say the owonim de na mom ono ne kita sika na ade na wo ye no obetimi aye na unso watimi akọwanim enti ye misa say is this a one time complaint and now say this customer no or a chronic complainer we say customers bi wo ha bibia obeyi bia no obenya fault ho fine a good say omu complaining and now so hwe e de ama wade a wo ye no but so a one time complainer there or first time complainer so pay attention pa but you be a ni su da bia on the bibia no aba na mo ade ni ti say South on so kwan ya be faso de omo afaso but a first time complainer be very careful say ne be ya on upsetting no further now on sign and create more problem for your business. So what is your previous relationship with the customer? Assuming say on your first time complainer first time or complaining then now yeah and as I yonko fa be na wo ne sa nipa nintem na fi wasan bisa on say does the customer do enough business with your company to make the aggravation worthwhile? Sometimes obi o beto ade be 1 cedi e say customer bia hu hia but don't forget say sa rule na ye kanu 80% of your revenue no is coming from only 20% of your customers. And then if this customer small player bia o ma be 2 cedis every month na ne bo food ho denden dia so hu and menka se to ne twene but they say hu kwan a wo be wo de sa nipa wo be fa so o mane me waste your time be brave because on your key account again I'm not saying say yenya ye ton kitin ye hu hia but so be spend your time nyina dey deal with obia or add very little value to your business then it doesn't make sense so be yes and then so hu say they complain no yes I will be investigate ana sometimes the do baby a better so be lose our customer no since I will be maintaining no after all and you bia o wi asibia da so the word si no so say on to wade ana so your customer into bia o gu adwuma no because ne niam a o ye ne yemfa ne say we create scene into nkrofo a etwa mu e ba beto ade nyino mo ba je bi no nso mpedede on beja o akọ into ube koso amasa nipa we a on contribute so much to your success ebe waste your time there be a drum rebia sa nipa na say yeja wo ho eno nkyere say umu customers do establish the e buy nyina wie a na fe what can you do to help this customer na ha no ese so ma customer ni hu say e na wo ba be no yemfa so obi to ade be 100 cedis unfortunately on one mistake and or they say again because yemfa in Ghana for sometimes manual share product no but we hardly read the manual before we start assembling them me one me home free into we start here drum finfi na ho chirewa na obisa manual no way na me hwe aha say odi aha siso into one follow manual no wa say ade no and you expect the businessman say on replace ade no nyina 100% enye possible and you know what you need to do ni say manenti ase say obe address problem no but say na offer so address problem no now focus what you can do enye bibia na betimi ayama customer ne buafu and as a business owner no an entrepreneur no focus on what you can do for the customer not what the customer wants you to do for him. Nafe, why offer the best solution? Even though you are focusing on what you can do, no, make sure say o solution na the customer no is the best. Never assign blame. Yemfa ne say una ye manager, adwuma wura, and our crofo ni bi, and I say o attendant ni bi ma customer bi ebufu ye. Never assign blame. Say I kwame na ye say enti na kwa ne bufu ye, enti okwa na fe oba be punish worker no in front of the customer no. When ye mistake no, yemfa ne say restaurant obi a order aduane. Na the order and one fa no ama na de fufraba. Na customer ni complain say no, because say me pese mo di say na abreme. Na fe manager ni be when ye sa ye no matra ha da bia enye sa time no na ye kasa answer to never assign blame and show compassion. Ma afufura de hia o say de me di kan say oh me ne didi mi an ka me bubefu ni ade no o da no adia eboa ma customer no calm me down. Again, solution no me manage say one. I'm saying say focus on what you can do as a business or as an entrepreneur to make this customer no happy, no a win in the back. But then you bibia na betimi aye and to make sure say or alternative solutions. So tibia ka say betimi aye A and I say B, then the customer will decide. And that's how we impose a solution. A pen and me. Meanwhile, you could have also offered B to the customer and to offer alternative solutions. The to be oh yeah, jaya way na wie no. I say you try say be restore relationship no. And to customer what ya see ama and do go through that process nyina watimi calming it down and the buato ne yam no. The way and say you thank this person. So thank the customer for allowing you to make things right. And there's all that customer and I say, oh, mami ana papa me dawasi. Say mpo ubufu ye na uma me kwan e ma me te o situation ase ne ye nyina ya te ye ho ase danase. Then tell what you will do to avoid future problems. Yemfa ne sem from so ni free wo ho as a business. Customer ne ti ase ma wo address problem na afi no hye no bo say ade esi ne ensibio and let all kan wo no keke. You make sure say you abide by that. You know that particular customer no say bibi boni bia be si te say dey see na enyo no e bia nipa foforo betimi happen. Then offer some sort of compensation. Maybe o ha ehun be hia say over compensate customer no. That wa offer no compensation. More importantly, so wait me a follow up call. Yemfa ne say o customer ne number. Baby bebre o ha nkrofo to ade a omoji o number, omoji o details. Enye say omoji na omoji ababy bia na emom. Ombetimi afra o time bi ni say oh ade na oto we ho no kra den na ma o. Can you share your experience with us? Name so dey improve ko yenim. Inti customer ne bofu a wetimi calming it down. Now wasan back as your customer no. O free unchen kwa make a follow up call or even a visit if you can visit her. And again, so we a key customer or no na o amount 80% of your revenue na visit such a person. Finally, hear what needs to be done. Fix it the see no. Who say what went wrong? Di kan aka ho asem. Review company policy. Company policy bi or company bi o ha. They don't accept returns. Nti customer ne buafu a watimi calming it down no. Obetimi aka kire ni say oh. De metimi ayama unyina ni. Company policy no say ne betimi de mako. Mintimi ma obi a full refund. What I can do ni say memo wa change item na o say I say no. And before we finalize your interaction with this customer, review your company policy and a change to make things better. We share wow blame na one a portion amount of staff no. After customer ne kwa onyomo transi no ama omo who says ade we see a good business no. Ndi your modern see be avoid situations like this. Abe,
Right.
Benja wa ha.
Okay.